Just off the coast of San Diego, the Artemis II astronauts, NASA personnel, and the U.S. Navy recently practiced splashdown operations. This exercise is part of the preparations for the upcoming crewed moon mission, scheduled to launch in September 2025. In a nod to the Apollo moon missions, the underway Recovery Test 11 brought together helicopters, rescue divers, a massive military ship, and a large number of individuals. Their goal was to practice safely retrieving the astronauts from the water. For the first time, the 4 Artemis II astronauts ventured out to sea to learn how to exit their Orion spacecraft in rough ocean conditions. Although the teams have previously undergone various recovery exercises, URT-11 was a unique experience. Artemis II aims to send 4 astronauts on a lunar expedition, marking the first crewed mission to the moon since Apollo 17's landing in 1972. The crew includes NASA Commander Reed Wiseman, NASA pilot Victor Glover, who will be the first Black person to venture beyond low Earth orbit, NASA mission specialist Christina Koch, who will be the first woman to go beyond low Earth orbit, and Canadian Space Agency, CSA, mission specialist Jeremy Hansen, who will be the first non-American to fly to the moon. While the actual Orion spacecraft that will travel to the moon was not used during the sea exercise, a mock-up called the Crew Module Test Article was utilized. This mock-up is the same size as Orion and contains seats to simulate astronauts being on board. The multi-day recovery operation received support from NASA's Exploration Ground Systems Landing and Recovery Team, as well as the Department of Defense. The USS San Diego Amphibious Transport Dock Ship and the U.S. Navy's Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron, HSC-23, also known as the Wildcards, played crucial roles in this month's exercise. Artemis II and Artemis III, part of the NASA-led Artemis program, encountered delays in January due to various technical challenges. Artemis II's launch was postponed by 9 months to September 2025, while Artemis III faced a minimum 1-year delay to 2026.